How to find someone on Twitter by phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up X application on a device. Now tap on profile at the top left corner. Then simply tap on settings and support. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on sort settings and type contacts. Now tap on discoverability and contacts. Now under contacts, simply enable the toggle for sync address book contacts. Now give the permissions. Now simply go back. Now tap on the profile. Now tap on following. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then tap on get started. Now on this page you can find all of your contacts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.